It's great to be here at Watercress Farm today. We're really looking forward to a fantastic day of demos. We're going to welcome over 35 healthcare chefs and food service stakeholders here to the Watercress company. We're going to enjoy a load of fantastic cookery demos, making us fantastic gazpacho, making fantastic cresto. We've also got a lovely muffin recipe that we're going to discover. We've got Matthew Ecke showing us some fantastic leek potato and watercress soup, as well as a beautiful hokey recipe showing how watercress or cresto can be incorporated into a lovely, healthy, sustainable dish.
Hi, my name is Matthew Ecke. I'm Head of Facilities at Yeovil Hospital. Today I've been at the Watercress Farm near Dorchester, working with the team here to develop new menu ideas, working with local businesses, how we can transform our food within the NHS, bringing in the nutrients, especially from the watercress. Working with Tom and his team here, develop new ideas, just to show the NHS that food is not boring and food is not beige, there is colour and food can be a rainbow.
Today's all been made possible by Philip Shelley, who is our lead for Net Zero at NHS England. He has got a fantastic network of local healthcare trusts that have really bought into this fantastic opportunity to actually meet a producer, meet the people behind the Watercress company, come and see the farm, come and see where watercress is from. This is really important that we teach our healthcare food service stakeholders, our chefs, all about where food comes from. It's part of a long series of enrichment sessions that we've organised for them, and this is just another fantastic opportunity to do this.
Well, we've been at the Watercress company today and it's been absolutely inspiring. What I've loved about it is first of all the innovation that's here, but the collaborative thinking of getting NHS workers together. So we've got chefs, catering managers, real leaders of change, sustainability and procurement experts, having them all speaking together about what is possible and what change can happen on NHS menus is absolutely amazing.
Absolutely thrilled to be here at this beautiful watercress farm. We've learned how to cook with watercress, we've learned where it comes from, how useful it will be in hospital setting, got amazing health benefits. It's grown 365 days of the year. It's so versatile in cooking. You can make soups, you can make lollipops. We've had ice lollies here this afternoon. Really, really delicious. And it's so fantastic to think that surplus as well is being used in local hospitals. So it's really helping with sustainable diet. So absolutely thrilled to be here today.
It's been great to be here at the Watercress Farm today at Watercress Farm. One of the emerging products that we've got is an ice lolly where we've used some of the extract from watercress, which is a super nutrient, combined with some elderflower juice. We're trying to create something that is refreshing, hydrating, that helps serve the population, as well as serving the planet.
Well, preparation only started about 3 weeks ago, but today we seem to have just pulled it off. This has been really relaxed, but very informative. It all started from us sponsoring the Knowledge Cookbook. What we've managed to do today is bring together chefs at NHS England, procurement team that are responsible for buying foods in the NHS, and give them an understanding of how the Watercress company can meet the needs of the NHS, provide additional nutrition, provide solutions for products that they want to be preparing in the kitchens. They've got a demand that is just incredible. There's a huge process going on in every single hospital kitchen throughout the country, and what they're looking for are ingredients that they can use that are going to provide the nutrition and the health and the taste and the flavour, and watercress has got all of those. So we're really confident that you're going to see watercress in pretty much every single NHS hospital across the country.